Kita ko na yung dulo. As.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, it all started a week ago when I bought the second-hand bike, made a few minor replacements, mostly praying the wheels wouldn't fall off, and decided to hit the road. No strict itinerary, no massive budget, just trying to go wherever my ride takes me. I've been training for a whole week now to get my legs, strength, and cardio in shape. Grueling, intense, 7 entire days of absolute peak athleticism. Now that's not me. And now, it's time to test my training. Welcome to Plaridel Bypass Road, a 24.6 kilometer of pure uninterrupted pavement. Starting right from the NLEX Balagtas exit, this arterial highway cuts a clean path through 5 major Bulacan towns: Balagtas, Giginto, Plaridel, Bustos, and San Rafael. It cuts right through the vast agricultural lands, leaving the heavy urban gridlocks behind. The only real climbs you will experience are sweeping structural overpasses and flyovers, like the Bonga Menor or the Chaong flyover. Let's see how far these legs and this bike can actually take me.
Plaridel Bypass Road, here we go. Galing tayo ng Balagtas. Diretso lang tayo ng San Rafael, Bulacan. Ikot lang tayo. Tapos balik na kaagad tayo. Let's test our legs. Let's go. On the street lamp, been face flame by the light. Pero pag nakabike, walang traffic. Gone away. Off-road. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Dahil lang yun sa nagma-merge na kalsada. Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers. Dito lang tayo sa shoulder. Napakadaming truck pala ngayong oras na to. Magiliran tayo. So, sabi dito kay Strava, nasa 5.64 kilometers. Average natin is 18.4 yung kilometers per hour speed. So far so good. Siguro ganun lang yung may maintain na pacing. Balik tayo. Gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Dito na tayo sa Pamatsilihan Bridge. San Jose Bridge. I'm gone away. 10 kilometer mark. I'm gone away. 32 minutes, 10 kilometer mark. At siguro para sa isang beginner. I think so. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for. Ito yung isa sa first challenge natin. Naakitin natin yung flyover na yon. So mga 4%, 5% gradient siguro yon. Tingnan natin kung kayanin ng 1/8 naakitin yan. Let's go! Bubweluhan natin. Cambio. Yeah. Kaya pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Sagad na ba tayo? Hindi pa. Isa pa. Nice! Nice! Kawawa naman. 29, 30 kilometers, 35, 40 kilometers per hour. Preno. Nice. Nice. Ayan natin guys. Naahon natin yung 4%, 5% kung ilan slope man yan. Hindi ako napagod sa pag-akyat. Mabilis lang yung paghinga ko kasi tatakot ako na na-excite. Pero energy level so far so good. Balik na tayo sa biyahe.
Yes, we made it. But of course, in every travel, there is trouble waiting for you. Just to keep your emotions in check. Luckily for me, it's just a fallen chain.
Talunan tayo ng kadena. Medyo kumukulimlim na. Tsaka medyo maambon-ambon ng konti. Konti-konti lang naman. Sana lumagpas tayo dun sa may Bustos Bridge. Mahaba. Kasi pag inabutan tayo dun ng ula, wala tayo sisilungan. Let's go!
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, man face flame by the light. I'm going away, gone away, gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day.
Welcome to Barangay Malamig. Ayan o. Bustos Bulacan pa rin to.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away.
Update, 15 kilometers. Pacing natin mga nasa 17.5, 17 to 70.5 kilometers per hour speed. Okay na muna ako sa ganung pacing kasi hindi masyadong hirap yung binti ko. Dito na tayo sa Angat Bridge. Pagtawid natin saka tayo magpapahinga. Update, we're 16 kilometers. Average natin 9.3. Siguro dahil nag-average nung pababa tayo nung flyover. Pero ito yung
do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Palagpas na tayo ng tulay.
Paradise is wherever we make it.
Alam ka may isang overpass pa tayong dadaanan eh. Isa pa. Parang ganun din, same lang din yun sa may Bustos, yung inakit natin kanina. So alamang parehas lang din ang slope, pero akitin din natin yan. Part yun ng training natin eh, diba? Approaching na tayo dun sa isa pang overpass. Aakitin din natin yan, sigurado yun. So Ambia. Gumaan ako maambia, pero ang bilis bumigat ng pedal. Pero hindi pa naman tayo sagad. Isa pa. Isa pa. Nakapin niya sa dulo. Next, pababa naman. Recovery. Ito pababa ito, recovery. Tapos akit na naman tayo uliran. Pero punto muna tayo dito sa may VSU sa may San Rafael. And yung building na yan, ito yung specs ng bike natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nakuha ko sa kanya nung second hand. Wala akong pinalitan dito. Naka 8 speed 1x8. Ilang teeth to? 34 to eh. 34 8 speed na Shimano Tourney. Nilagyan lang natin siya ng bag para doon nakalagay yung Strava natin, cellphone. Hindi tayo naka-computer by computer. Cable disc brakes, hindi siya hydraulic. Ilaw. Oh. Bottle holder. Tapos meron din pala siyang ano, ito, yung ganyan. Mudguard. Ito, mudguard ba o fender? So far kinaya naman ng 1x8. Almost there na tayo. Let's go na. San Rafael. Okay. Energy level check. Nasa 80% pa naman. Pero this time humihinga na ako sa bibig ko. Hindi na kanina sa ilong lang eh. Pero kaya pa ng binte. Konting resistensya pa. Malapit na tayo sa dulo eh. Buti na lang di umulan. Mararating natin itong dulo. Ako na yung dulo. Sa wakas. U-turn na tayo sa ends tong Plaridel Bypass Road. And signboard do. Baliwag, Kabanatuan. U-turn tayo rito. U-turn. Salamat. Yes. So we made it sa dulo ng Plaridel Bypass Road. Okay, pauwi na tayo. So far naka 25.63 kilometers tayo from Balagtas doon sa bahay natin hanggang dito sa dulo ng Plaridel Bypass Road sa may San Rafael, Bulacan. Average speed natin is 19.3. Bilis yan ah. Siguro dahil maraming rolling hills. Kaya nag-average yung speed natin doon. Yan. So total of 63 meters elevation, tapos yung elevation gain natin is 77 miles. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng mga yan. Pero ang importante, nakarating tayo sa dulo ng Plaridel Bypass Road. So pahinga konti, tapos biyahe na tayo pabalik. Yay!
And look at that, I actually made it. Total beginner on a questionably reliable second-hand bike. My legs are officially busted. My lower back is questioning all my life choices. But as a reward, we got this beautiful view of the sunset.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
This is just day one. The cycling era has officially begun.
Catching a breeze, love, moving